Hey guys, my name is June and I make videos of all my camping trips and outdoor adventures at beautiful locations in Malaysia and hopefully someday across the world. So grab yourself a coffee and enjoy this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share it with your friends. And I would be so thankful. Hey guys, welcome back. I am not camping in this episode, but I am here in iRG campus showroom in Sungai Buloh. And the reason I'm here is to finally return my rooftop tent. Now iRG campus has a wide range of products, from rooftop tents, awnings, crossbars, roof racks, 4x4 accessories, consultation and installation services. Basically all the things that help make your car camping and overlanding dreams come true. And just a little bit of background story. 6 months ago, iRG campus had sort of loaned me this soft shell rooftop tent and let me use for all my camping trips and share my experiences in my videos. Yeah, it's been a great 6 months and I've used this rooftop tent probably for about over 20 times now, and camped at incredible locations, lots of beautiful memories made. I've got to be honest with you guys, this kind of soft shell rooftop tent was never my top choice when it comes to rooftop tents, and that's because of its bulkiness and also the hassle when packing it down. But I gotta say, after using it for about 6 months now, this tent actually exceeded my expectations and performed way better than I expected. In terms of its quality, its sturdiness in extreme conditions, its durability. Every single time I slept in this tent, I felt safe and secured, and the quality of my sleep when camping just improved drastically. Thank you, tent. It's been a great 6 months. And it's time to return it. So there's a small little issue now. The Rhino-Rack crossbars, which I've been using for over a year now, has got a little problem. One of the 4 corners has got a loose nut which cannot be tightened. So yeah, it poses certain risk in terms of safety. So we're getting it removed and replacing it with another set of crossbars, which are the Yakima crossbars. So hopefully all goes well. Yeah, my Forester looks so naked now. Now, although I got to return my rooftop tent today and I'm feeling kind of sad, but it is not all gloom and doom. And in fact, it is an exciting day because I am getting another rooftop tent. And this time, it is an upgrade. Currently, iRG has 3 main types of tents, which are the soft shell rooftop tent, the Royal Belum, which I have used for 6 months, and they also have this Enda Rompin, which is a hardtop pop-up fold-up rooftop tent. And then they also have the Banjaran Crocker clamshell rooftop tent, which is pretty good as well. And not only that, they are now an authorized seller of Thule, the renowned brand Thule, and a variety of Thule rooftop tents available as well. Look at this iRG cap, and they've got my name on it. So when it comes to buying a rooftop tent, I understand that most people do not have the luxury of testing and trying out different types of tents before actually buying one. Because it's not exactly like buying a car, where you get to test drive your car before buying it. The only thing we can do is to do as much research online as possible, and just decide on one that you think most likely suits you. So I am really glad I have the privilege and the luxury of trying out different types of rooftop tents and share all my experiences and insights with you guys that will hopefully help you guys in deciding what type of rooftop tent suits you best. And that's it, guys. This is my new rooftop tent, and this is the iRG Campus Endau Rompin 1 pop-up rooftop tent. I am so excited and stoked and can't wait to use it on my camping trip. And in fact, I am going camping right now. But I'll leave that for the next video. And by the way, if you're wondering what's going to happen to the soft shell rooftop tent, good news, it is for sale. Yes, and don't worry, I have kept it clean. It is in perfect condition. So yeah, it is for sale at a discounted price. So if you're interested to buy that soft shell rooftop tent, please send an email to junoutdoors@gmail.com or click in the WhatsApp link that I'm gonna provide below. And yeah, don't forget to mention my name and my discount code JUNOUTDOORS in order to get free installation and a free gift. Alright, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. I am gonna bring this baby for camping now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.